I'll show you how you can change your Facebook name. On Facebook, you want to go to the left-hand side here, and then you want to tap on this. Once you tap on this, you'll see that you're going to be put into a screen that looks like this. You want to tap on the gear icon up here. On the gear icon up here, you want to tap on See More in Account Center up here. Once you tap on the See More Account Center here, you want to tap on the profiles. On the profiles, you want to pick the one you want to change. And here, you'll have the option of changing two things, either your name or your username. You could be changing either once, so I'm just going to show you both. Name, you'll be want to tap on here. You want to change whatever name you want. So for example, I'm just going to change it to something random like this, and I'm going to tap on review change. But right now I can't do it because I think I've changed my name in the last couple of months. So I'm just going to go back. So for you, it should work. But then after you change, you'll have to wait around 6 months to change your name again. So be sure that the thing you are changing your name onto is the correct one. If you want to change the username, you can tap on this, and then you can just enter in your username here as well. So just username, and then just tap something random like this. And then that's it. That's how you change your name and or username on Facebook.